This old FJ80 has seen better days.
The camera pans across the junkyard, revealing a sea of discardables with the 1993 Toyota Land Cruiser. Look at this bumper, it's completely gone.
Yeah, the wheel wells aren't much better. See how this is flaking?
And the air dam is just hanging on by a thread.
Check out this door handle. The rust is everywhere.
You can see the heavy rust here, it's flaking right off. Oh, yeah, look at that crack in the dash. Well, and definitely been sitting a while. Look at the state of this. Serious rot right here. The air dam's barely holding on, and the rust on these handles is eating through the metal.
But look at the rust on that wheel well. It's flaking off.
This air dam is barely hanging on, and the door handle's loose.
Wow, the interior is really bad.
All right, it's rough, but she's got potential. Just got to get this grime off, check the frame, and secure this broken. All right, let's see how bad this rust is here.
Yeah, this windshield is pretty well gone.
Just need to clear off some of this debris. All right, cables are attached. Start lifting slowly. That's good. Now pivot right, gently. Keep it coming. Almost there. Stop. Keep it steady. Watch the left side. Bring it over to the truck. Copy that. Moving slowly. Secure the harness. Almost there.
Okay, let's get this mud off.
It's really stuck on there.
Just need to reveal what's underneath.
Looking good. Keep it up.
All right, time to tackle this beast. This mud is thick, but the rust is even worse.
All right, let's hit this with the pressure washer and see what we've got under all this mud. Just need to scrub these handles here. Finally giving the whole truck a rinse. Got to be careful with this windshield.
All right, time to tackle this mess.
Watch those bolts, they're stubborn.
Careful with the crowbar. Just a bit more. Look at all this rust. Got to get this off. All right, dashboard's coming out next. Seats are loose. Now for the belts. There goes the driver's side, finally. Carpet is next, revealing the rust underneath. All right, time to tackle this old carpet. It's really stuck on here.
All right.
There we go, it's starting to lift. Look at that rust underneath.
All right, these mounts are really seized. Just a bit more. Got it. Now for the oil pan. Careful with that leak. Up we go. The rust spots are particularly severe around the edges and deep into the metal, requiring extensive repair. You can see here how the rust has really eaten away at this section, causing it to flake. We're using a diamond-coated wheel to get through this hard oxidation.
I'm seeing some significant rust here, eating away at the metal. I'll need to grind this back carefully, checking for structural damage. Now, this new bumper looks promising. Finding the right replacement is half the battle. All right, let's take a look at this replacement front bumper. Getting the right parts is crucial. Finding these vintage pieces can be a real challenge. Look at this, perfect fit. All right, time to unbox these new parts and make sure they're the correct fit for the Land Cruiser. Inspection is key here. All right, time to tackle the head bolts with the socket wrench. Just a few gentle taps with the mallet to break the seal. All right, first we'll loosen these head bolts. This engine needs a thorough cleaning, especially the block. Then with the rubber mallet, we'll gently free the piston rings.
The heart of any vehicle, the engine block. We need to install the cylinder head, ensuring proper alignment. Now, tightening the cylinder head bolts with the... All right, let's get these old shocks off. First, loosen the bolts. Then, we'll install the new ones with precision.
All right, the shocks are torqued down. Now check the compression. Smooth. Looks good. This new spring should really make a difference.
All right, first let's carefully remove these old calipers. Now we inspect the worn pads and rotors. Time to clean the bolts and hoses for the new...
The fuel tank breather hose needs careful removal, then check the tank for rust. That rotor and hub look pretty corroded. Now inspecting. I'm starting by carefully removing the old fuel pump. As you can see, there's significant rust and corrosion on the mounting bolts.
I've got the old harness unplugged, and now I'm inspecting it for wear and tear. Looks like some frayed wires here. I'll strip the insulation off the old ones.
And first get the wiring right, then the body filler. Just the right ratio. Spread it smooth, no air pockets, perfect.
The perfect blend needs patience. Not too thin, not too thick. Just right for a flawless finish.
All right, time to feather this out carefully. No lumps. Looks good. Keep the pressure even. Just need to check for any high spots before we prime.
Now that the body filler is smooth, we're ready to lay down the primer.
Use
See the water beating up as I work this area. Just a few more passes here. Looking good. Are the brake calipers torqued down? Yep, all secured. Getting ready to buff this section. You can see the compound really starting to shine here on the fender. Just a bit more to go around the bumper area and we'll be set. Look at that reflection.
The
The paintwork looks excellent and those new bolts are tight. Just a final polish on the chrome to make it perfect. Let's bring back that showroom shine.
Моста поставим на сале снегит возраст здания. А тоже на специальном централе готов, то мосто стоит, не гадать, сколько там места в такой
All right, let's get this old, worn-out headliner out. See how frayed it is? Carefully, carefully. Nice, the new one fits perfectly. Smoothing it out now. All right, just a little more tension on this edge here. Make sure it's smooth, nice and tight. Almost done. All right, just a little more pressure here. It fits perfectly. All right, let's get this rubber seal seated just right. Yeah, perfect fit on this side. Now for the passenger headlight, same gentle touch. Looks like it's aligning well. Coming in level.
The heart of the new radiator is meticulously placed. This 35mm macro lens reveals the critical hose.
The 35mm macro lens captures the intricate details of the new exhaust manifold as it slowly...
All right, the new tire is on and balanced. Now let's get this oil and transmission fluid changed before we lower it. All right, here's the ADW90. Let's make sure we get this lined up perfectly. Now carefully filling this to the recommended level. Okay, let's swap out this old dipstick with a fresh one. All right, 60 seconds left until the test drive. Just checking the tire pressure here, looks good. Engine block is solid, everything's ready to go. The timer is ticking down. Just need to check the brake pressure and tire levels. This Land Cruiser is ready to roll. Time's ticking. Just a few seconds left on this final detail.
Steering wheel.
Just need to, almost done.